Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's a really big bag. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so let's just go ahead and jump into the unboxing. So the first, I actually picked up two things. So this is the first item. It's still wrapped. It looks so pretty. So here is the dust bag. I have been searching high and low for this item. It's constantly out of stock online, and I was finally able to get it. So this is the toiletry pouch in the 26 size. It is so pretty. Now this is it's actually meant to be used as a toiletry bag, but I really wanted this as a clutch because it's such a perfect size just to kind of, you know, go your way wherever you need to go. So I got it in the classic monogram. Of course, that's the only one they have right now. And then it does have the little leather tab here at the end. And the inside, it has, here's a little card. It does have the wipeable leather on the inside, so in case for any reason you spill, you know, any makeup, any powder, you're able to just wipe it away clean. It is so pretty. So yeah, that's the first item I picked up. The next item I got, it's a little bit smaller and it's in this little box right here. And this one actually has a little draw pull. And I actually picked up the banjo. So this is the banjo that I picked up. It is so pretty. It has the monogram on the back as well as the different color trunks. And then it also has the LV here on the back. And I actually picked this up just to kind of either wrap my handles or also just to kind of add it to a bag just to kind of make it look a little prettier. So I'm really excited about this. And this one retailed for $180. I'm not sure if you can still pick this up because I know it was just a like limited edition. So the retail on the Toiletry 26 today in the States is $445. But I think it's a really good investment because, like I said, you can use it as a toiletry bag when you're traveling, or you can also use it as a clutch. It's very roomy on the inside, you guys can see. And I've seen a lot of bloggers on Instagram where they add like a little charm on it and they use it as a clutch. Super cute. Alrighty guys, so that's going to end the unboxing video for today. Let me know in the comment box below if you guys are interested in doing a what fits in my toiletry bag. Just go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and work on that for you guys. But yeah, as always, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.